you there. Okay, so go ahead, Ate Carol.
Okay. Good more earnings, everyone. Sorry for my bedroom voice. Anyways, during the seminar, unfortunately, as per the seminar rules, we cannot share the content of the seminar per se. But what I can share with you today is my learnings. But before that, I want to give you a brief background on why I suddenly joined your team, Donna's team. It started last 2022. So she kept on asking me, bugging me about joining her new, her new business. Unfortunately, I wasn't interested because I wasn't into network marketing. No, never. I said that. And then my brother got sick, so she sent me the wand and she told me, wala namang masama if you try it. It's actually an orthodox healing method. It's not the usual drink your medicine, go to the doctor thing. So we tried it, and good thing my brother already got well from his pancreatitis, and but still keep on, using the one. Come 2023, I had a depression from a life experience. Donna was there all the time, but it wasn't also a good experience for Donna because she cannot talk to me really because I was so closed out. So I put a wall. So that was what happened. And then suddenly, come 2024, I was praying that, Lord, please, if I can have a business na it will help me, go back to what I was used to be, 'di ba? And all the financial blessings. So come 2024, Donna went here in the Philippines last February. I went to visit her. So we were just eating breakfast and then suddenly sabi niya, Ate Carol, lika, akit tayo sa taas, may papanood ako sa'yo. So she showed me the business marketing plan of Prive. And that is where it all started. And then, come after 2 weeks, she said, oh, Carol, umattend ka ng training sa Davao. And I did without hesitation. So now I am here. And when I was in Davao, people are telling me, it's your time. It's not always like, ngayon na. It's your time. It take you like 1 year, 2 years, but now it's your time. So now I am here and I'm going to share with you what I've learned in Davao. Okay, I will share with you my takeaways because we cannot say anything about the content of the seminar. But I hope this also helped you out because this really helped me out in um focusing and now knowing my direction in life. Okay, I'll just share my screen.
Ay, Ate Carol, nakamute ka. Unmute yourself.
I,
N- Naka nakamute ka?
I cannot unmute when I share my screen.
Would you like to give me the files and I can share
Okay,
it?
so how do I give you the files now?
Messenger?
I'll send it to Messenger. Wait, I'll send it via Messenger.
Yes.
Sorry for the delay.
Oh no, that's okay. We have enough time. So that is what patience is all about, right? No today doesn't mean no tomorrow.
Yes. She has a talent for that, of being patient with me all the time. Wait,
That's
I
what
don't know.
BFF is for. Okay, I
Wait, I
will.
cannot find it. Teka, save ko lang muna ulit so I can send it to you.
Sige, sige. And I will send to
Send.
Okay, I found it.
Please add.
Sorry. Kasi I was doing this like 12:30 in the evening, morning, last night.
I really appreciate our Philippine team kasi nag-daylight saving time kami dito sa US. So, spring forward kami. So, yung 5 p.m. is technically 8 a.m. sa inyo. So, na-really appreciate ko na bumangon kayo ng maaga. Ayan, so Prive PPP. Okay, I will share this.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome.
Okay. I think to make it into a presentation, slideshow.
Yes, there you go. Mhm.
Okay, good morning again. So I attended Internal Stamina Builder from March 10 to 12, 2024. I was alone, but not lonely. I was with alone, but not lonely. So, but I was with May. She was there. It was a journey. First time to travel solo from Manila to Davao. And sakyan lahat ng klase ng sasakyan. So, nag-umpisa po tayo sa car, airplane, barge, bao-bao, and then, ayun,
Bao-bao is
bisikleta na lang
tricycle,
po
right?
lang. Oo, bao-bao is tricycle in Davao. Yun na, so nasakyan natin lahat. Bisikleta na lang yata hindi ko nasakyan. So anyway, it was a good it was a good experience. I really love it. I was able to meet a lot of people. Unfortunately, the first day is medyo mahirap for me because I was alone and everybody there was with a group. So yun nga, the first day, the breakfast, I ate alone. And para ano po kasi ko, Donna knows, I'm not like Donna, we're opposite. Donna is, the first time you meet her, talagang magsasalita siya, dadaldal na siya, she will get to know you, ganun. Ako po hindi, I'm diesel. Diesel po ako. So, it takes me a bit of time to really, to talk, ganun. Mas reserved ako kay Donna pagdating sa mga ganyan. So, first day went well, we're busy naman, so I don't need to talk. I don't need to talk to anybody. So, I just concentrated on the training. So, during the first day of training, this is what I learned. So, it says life by design, not by default. So, doon ko lang din nalaman, ay meron palang dalawang kinds of belief, yung limiting tsaka empowering. Sabi ko, ano ba yung limiting beliefs na yan tsaka empowering belief na yan? That's when I realized na ginagawa ko rin pala siya. Limiting belief is yung sinasabi nila, pinanganak akong mahirap, mamamatay akong mahirap. 'Di ba? So yun yung mga limiting beliefs, yung time, ay wala na akong pera, hindi ko pwede gawin 'yan. So yun yung mga limiting beliefs natin na siguro innate din sa atin because it was instilled to us by our parents, 'di ba? And then there are also powering beliefs na which is I think also came from my parents din. Kami ni Donna ganun. Kaya mo 'yan. You can do it, 'di ba? Pera lang 'yan, kikitain mo pa 'yan. So those are empowering beliefs that I realized and I confirmed na so in a way, there are limiting beliefs and there are powering beliefs, but you have to concentrate on the empowering beliefs. So that is what I've learned in the seminar. Kaya natuwa ako, sobrang tuwa ako. Uy, empowering belief, sabi ko. So, si Donna, she believed in herself na, hindi, magjo-join dito eventually, mabagal lang talaga to. So that is what happened. So I'm really happy that I learned this belief. Kasi, Ate Donna, please, next slide.
Mhm.
Because of this, I had self-imposed limitation. 'Di ba? Ay, hindi ko gusto 'yan. Ano 'yan eh, network marketing 'yan. Ate Do, ayoko niyan. Hindi ako marunong magbenta. So that is already a limiting belief for me. Hindi ako marunong magbenta, hindi ako kikita diyan. Because we are into traditional business, 'di ba? Na I'm already earning enough, okay na 'yan. Wag na 'yan, ganun. So now, because of the seminar, I have to change the way I think in order to change my life, which also came from my past experience na yun nga, pag victim effect, 'di ba? Kawawa naman ako. Am I not worthy? Am I not good enough? 'Di ba ako maganda? Mga ganun po. Personal both and business. 'Di ba ako maganda? Or 'di ba ako sexy? So, yun yun. So now, going to that seminar, ngayon, parang, yun nga, sabi nila, every time you wake up, you say your I am statement, and you motivate yourself. So, kanina when I woke up, pero hindi na ako nakapag-meditate, but the first thing I said was, thank you, Lord, and I am beautiful. Kahit di pa ako nagsusuklay. And then, it says here, halata po ba? Nag-lipstick lang ako. It says here, thoughts become things, and things become our energy. That means that if you have negative thoughts, it will be with you throughout the day, and that is also what you exude to people. And you also have that aura, that negative aura. Di ba sabi nila, parang ang ganda ng aura mo ngayon. So something like that. So that is what I learned, that you always have to think positive thoughts, even if it's hard. It's definitely hard, especially for me, di ba, Tido? For the past
Yes.
1.5 years, very, very hard for me. It's really a struggle. Parang kami noon, parang, hindi, madali lang yan, kaya mo yan. But it's not, you know. And nobody can heal you except yourself. So parang depression is real, and then you would just say, hindi, kaya mo yan, you can do it, ganun, ganun. But at the back of your mind, you will say, kaya mo yan kasi hindi ka nasa posisyon ko. 'Di ba? But in reality, it's really hard. So, during the seminar, sabi ko, okay, ganun pala yon. So, negative ako ng negative, na yun din pala yung napapakita ko sa tao. Kaya pala hindi rin ako nilalapitan kasi natatakot siguro sila na baka sungitan ko or anything. So, nung first day, medyo ganun ako sa seminar. I was very quiet. Yung pala, yun yung na-exude ko na energy. Kaya walang lumalapit sa akin. Totoo yun. Wala talaga akong kasama breakfast, lunch, dinner. Wala talaga. Except nagkaroon lang kami ng body system. Even my body, may reservation siya sa akin. Kasi nga, yun nga, opening. Wala naman ako ma-open. Wala akong ma-open really. Na bagay. Because also, I don't want to open because I'm a very private person. Okay. Unfortunately, it's only Donna who knows everything about me. Pero I'm willing to open up, but not all of my life. Siguro it's a stage, 'di ba? And you don't need to open up your very personal life to a lot of people. Siguro yung struggle, but not the real experience or the real thing. Okay? And then yung positive thoughts balik mo pati do. Sorry.
Sorry.
And then, positive thoughts make us money magnet. Dito ako natuwa. Kasi sabi ko, oo nga, because the past few months, I was trying to be happy. And I'm already happy. Pero I'm trying to be very, very happy. And you know what? Our business, it's starting to get back to the way it was. 'Di ba? I am not doing anything. It was the client. Dati kasi parang naghahanap pa kami ng client, ganun. I'm into manufacturing of colognes and household products para may idea lang kayo. Wala akong ginagawa ngayon, pero parang bumabalik lahat ng blessings. Sa positive thoughts lang talagang yung energy parang thank you Lord, I claim it already. Yun nga sinasabi doon, i-claim mo na yan. So, sabi ko, oo nga, So, hindi namin kinontak yung client. The client contacted us. Tapos nadagdagan yung orders. So, positive thoughts really make us money magnet. Diba? So, that is. So, the last one, the man in the mirror. This is very important. Diba po nagsa-self-talk tayo minsan sa, parang Boy Abunda. If you're familiar with Boy Abunda. So, kung nakaharap ka sa salamin, ano sasabihin mo sa sarili mo? So, yun din. It touched me in a way kasi when I do that, I always tell myself are you worthy? Are you, 'di ba? Parang, are you okay now? Mga ganon. Pero in the man in the mirror, when you talk to yourself, you always say positive things. 'Di ba? And it will lead to positive result. Okay? So, next slide po, Donna. Donna. Okay. So, ito yon, positivity. They always mention positivity, beingness, awareness of your actions during the seminar, which initially I was not aware of. So, second day, just to relate, the second day, nag-umpisa na akong ngumiti. Nag-umpisa na rin akong makipag-usap, ngumiti, and then exude a positive aura. So, yun po yung mga experiences ko na siguro for some, ay, ano ba yan? Ano lang naman yan eh, parang madali lang yan. For you, but for me, who is a very reserved person, napakahirap po. It's 100% effort for me nang ngumiti. So, no second day, ayan si May, andyan siya, nakita niya, nasa likod lang ako, di ba May? Nasa likod lang talaga ako, hindi talaga ako nagsasalita. As in, talagang nasa back of the room lang ako na, parang if I can hide or put a curtain, uy, wag, baka mamaya tawagin ako sa recitation. Wala kasi akong alam. They were asking me, have you sell anything? Sabi ko, sell. Sell? Anong sell? Do you know about the pro or the premium? Ganun. Ano yun? So, wala talaga akong alam. But you know, they were very positive. They talk, imbis na sabihin nilang, ang bobo naman ito. No, they did not say that. You know what they told me? That is very good because you are coming from a very, very clean slate. 'Di ba? Malinis pa yung ano mo. Sila kasi parang ano na sila eh, parang hahanap na naman ako ng ano, ng man list, 'di ba? Ng contacts na na-contact. Ako wala talaga, zero talaga. So parang feeling ko, may edge ako sa inyo ngayon, ang dami kong contacts, 'di ba? So the assignment, it took me like 10 minutes, sulat names, punta sa contact. So, you know, those positive, very positive lahat sila eh. So parang it makes me want to be a part of that family. Even the Crown Ambassadors, they were really like very nice to me even though they don't know me, di ba? Parang hindi nila ako ginudge na ano, I don't know anything. Siguro hindi halata nung time na yun kasi pabibo tayo ng konti. So yun nga, so the positive aura that they exude, parang I catch it. So during the second day of the seminar, I already made friends. A few friends yung mga ka roommates ko. Naumpis na ano na nila ako, kumbaga naumpisahan na nila ako. So yun nga, they said positive thoughts, happy feeling, which is true, and then persistent action. So this persistent action, initially, I was parang ina-associate ko siya with consistent action, but this is different pala. Consistent is doing things like paulit-ulit, di ba? But persistent action is actually trying to do it. So it says here, malabo mata ko eh, persistent action is to keep trying until you get what you want. So it's different from consistent. So now, yun nga, yung rejections, yung ano, kagaya si Donna, na-reject ko siya for the longest time. Pero still, you have to persist. You have to try and try and try until you get what you want. And then, of course, if you do the three things, will have positive results. Next slide, Ate Do.
Very good.
Yan. So sabi, positive leads, in short, positive thoughts lead to positive results. So now I am here. I'm very happy. So hopefully, actually last night, yung sister-in-law ko kasi nag-demo. And hopefully within the week even though I don't know anything yet, pero I don't even know the marketing plan, the whole thing. Pero yun nga, we have mga pending orders. Hinold ko lang kasi nga I was in Davao. So hopefully, please pray for us that we will close the sale within the week. Ati, the next slide. Ayan. So I just want to share with you my I am statement. This one took me a lot of time to think. Kasi parang, ako na to eh. I am effective, I am efficient. But you know, when you think about it of how you want to handle your business, this level marketing business, hindi pala dahil takot ako. So this is why I chose this statement. I am courageous. Because now, I am trying to face my fear of talking to people. I am trying, I'm courageous enough to approach people and tell them about the company and the product. So that is why I chose my first statement that I am courageous. Number 2 is I am persistent. So before, if I get rejected, ang sagot ko lang, kung ayaw mo, wag. Diba? But now, the mindset is not that anymore. It's because hindi ko naman in-offer sa'yo to para kumita ako eh. I have my own testimonial. medyo ano po ito, medyo graphic. But I vomited blood last year. I was in the hospital. And when they check, wala silang makita. I had endoscopy. I had all sorts of expensive blood tests. Walang makita. I just used Dietera. And after 5 days, I was out of the hospital. And I didn't experience that anymore. So, sa akin ngayon, if you reject me, I will still try my hard to introduce to you because I have my own personal testimonial. And maybe in the future, 'di ba? Your eyes will also be open and ma-realize mo na effective tong product. Yung pong dinemohan namin kagabi, 2 weeks ago, ayaw niya maniwala. Last night, he was experiencing, hindi niya na magalaw to. So for 3 minutes, blino ko ng sister-in-law ko and suddenly, naigalaw niya. So kaya ngayon, o-order na siya. So yun lang, persistent lang kami, paulit-ulit. Sige po, try nyo, baka mag-work. So it worked on him last night. So now, he's going to order, di ba? Wala pang effort yun, di ba? Nag-blow lang kami. Nag-demo lang kami. Hindi na namin explain yung marketing plan. Wala. So now, going to that, so yan ang statement ko, I am persistent. And the last, this is very, very important for me. I am power, di ba? With the help of God, parang I can do anything. Everything is possible. I mean, no one can stop you if God is with you. That is what, because I've been through ups and downs in my life, pero still I am here, di ba? So God uses instrument. I mean, you have the power, but God uses instrument to help you out. So I have friends, family, prayer warriors, support group. So now I realize, oh, I am power. So I have this. And with this, next slide, Ate Do. Yan. I will have a fortune that I can never imagine. Sabi ni Miss Gloria, nung narinig ko yun, uy, ang sarap pakinggan, di ba? Passive income. So now, I can realize all my dreams, di ba? Not just for me, but also for my family, di ba? You don't need to think about your family. May kakainin ba sila pag nawala ako? And this, I think this business also, even if you're gone, 'di ba? Your family can still, earn from that, 'di ba? Ipapasa mo lang ng maayos. So that is what I've learned in the seminar. So but at the end of the day, they were all very good and they always mention God. So it says nothing is impossible with God. So doon ako sobrang natuwa. By the way, I have a different religion. I'm not Catholic. I'm Iglesia. But still, it encompasses the religion. Lagi lang sabi na, hindi religion to, hindi religion. It encompasses the religion. It's all about you and I believing in the same God. So doon ako natuwa, 'di ba? So I was touched with that. Parang hindi ako na parang hindi ako na discriminate because of my religion, because everyone there was actually very, very nice, regardless of their religion, regardless of the race. They are all very, very nice. And it all boils down to we have one God who actually blesses all of us and will make us very rich, spiritually and financially. So yun lang po,
Right.
yun yung takeaways ko sa seminar. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, Ate Carol, for that very inspiring, na sharing